Hello all. So today I'm talking about a Nissan with the P0500 code, what it is and how you can go about fixing it. And I'm going to put links down below for everything I'm looking at here. But what is a P0500 code? Well, it's a vehicle speed sensor circuit. That's going to be the error code that comes up with the scan tool. And what does this mean? Well, the main cause is going to be the vehicle speed sensor VSS output sensor. And there's going to be two sensors on most Nissans. You're going to have an output sensor and you can have an input sensor. And it's usually going to be the output sensor or in the wiring. Keep in mind, bad wiring can cause the same problems as a bad sensor. So you're going to want to check that. And where's the sensor located and what does it look like? Well, it's usually located on the transmission. Both these sensors are going to be located usually on the transmission. And they're going to be located a little differently depending on your year and model of the Nissan you have. But you have to Google it and find out exactly where it's at. But it's usually located on the transmission. But there'll be two sensors on there somewhere. And here's a basic idea of what it looks like right here. It's just a small little device that plugs in and sends information to the dashboard for how fast the vehicle is moving. And I'm going to jump over on Amazon and give you an idea how much they cost. They're pretty low cost items. It looks like $18, $12. There's one for $9 or $16. One thing I would recommend is that when you get these sensors, go with the name brand that you recognize. Because in the past, I have ordered sensors, and while most of them work, like 90% of the time, once or twice I've gotten these really cheap third-party sensors, and they've caused me problems because they didn't work right. So I just started going with name brand things. But of course, that's up to you. And here's another image of a speed sensor. This is on a Nissan CVT automatic transmission, and they're replacing the speed sensor. You can see they just popped it out the side right there. And another image of it. So as you can see, it has a harness coming in and it has one bolt holding in place. So what would you do if you get a Nissan with the P0500 code? Well, the first thing to do is Google where this sensor is located on your vehicle, since there can be differences in the years. Since there can be some differences depending on the year it was made and transmission types and things like this. And then check this wiring harness. Be sure it's plugged in good, that it hasn't gotten messed up or anything like that by some debris coming underneath the vehicle and hitting it or anything like that. You could get a meter and check it for any opens or shorts. And then if that all looks good, then go ahead and replace this sensor. It's a low cost part. So while it might be a pain to crawl up underneath the vehicle and replace this, that would be the next step. And after that, 90% of the time, the problem is going to be fixed. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of what you could do if you had a Nissan with the P0500 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.